Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You already have your track routed. Now insert the compressor on that mixer channel and switch to compressor mode. Once done, set input levels so meters peak around -6 dB to -3 dB because compressors react to level. Begin with a moderate ratio like 3:1 and threshold high so it only clamps loud transients. Make sure attack is fast enough to catch peaks, but not so fast it kills transients. Set release to musical timing. This gets you into a listening-ready starting point. Now you fine-tune the control parameters while listening in context. Reduce threshold until you see 2 to 6 dB gain reduction on louder phrases. This tames dynamics without squashing. Increase ratio if you need firmer control. Use higher ratios for aggressive leveling. Then craft attack and release. Longer attack preserves punch, shorter captures transients. Release should breathe with tempo so gain reduction doesn't pump. Once satisfied, compensate with the makeup gain and compare bypass. You're at the finish line. Toggle bypass and listen A versus B to ensure musical improvement. Small differences matter. Automate threshold or ratio for sections that need dynamic changes, or route a kick to the sidechain input to create rhythmic ducking. Save your compressor preset for consistent results, and confirm final makeup gain preserves headroom around -3 dB to 0 dB before rendering. Troubleshooting tip. If you hear pumping, lengthen release or reduce sidechain, send level to eliminate unwanted breathing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.